Welcome back to It's Okay Garage. Today I'm going to be working on this 09 WRX and we're going to be doing the front CV axle. So first off, let's get this thing jacked up and the wheel taken off. After you get the wheel taken off, go ahead and pop off the CV axle nut and hit the 32, and then you're going to come up here and disconnect the strut with two 19s. You're going to need a wrench and a socket, and then you got two 12s for the brake lines, and then this will flip down and you'll be able to hopefully pull that CV axle out. So let's get all that disconnected. Now you got it down and taken out part. Go ahead and pull that CV axle right here that way. Sometimes you need to hammer it, but don't go too hard because if you mushroom it, it won't fit through. Go ahead and pull it out of the rotor. And then once you got it out, you're gonna lift it up over, probably up over this way to clear all those brake lines, and you're gonna give it a little tug this way towards you to get it out. Now that I got that CV axle off, I'm gonna go ahead and put that other one in, and I ended up pulling the strut to get it out of my way just because factory ones don't really have much play in them to move, just a couple 12s. So now I'm gonna install this CV axle by going into the transmission first. Now go ahead and put it all back together, and I always forget to say, but you need to make sure you make a dot here so you can kind of get it back all in alignment. You typically will need alignment, so go ahead and run that new CV axle nut on, put the two 12s on the brake line and sensor on, and then run those two 19s all the way through, and then go ahead and throw that wheel back on. Also, don't forget to punch the CV nut in the notch there. Just like that, got that CV axle all put back on. Thanks again for watching. We'll catch you in those next series.